Hello everyone, and welcome to this lesson. I'm going to look at the power chords. I'm going to explain a bit about the power chords. Just use root notes to make our power chord. So let's say, example, we are in the key of G. G on the 3rd fret, 6th string, and we take our ring finger, we put it on the 5th fret, alright, the 5th string. This is our power chord, this one. So power chords are movable chords. You can just move them. So this is G. Alright. G. G sharp. A. So this is our A power chord. So they're just looking at the G. Okay. You can also add our pinky here. It becomes a double power chord. If you want, you can do like this. You flatten this.